Krishna tried to console the gopis who had been agitated in separation from him by instructing them in Brahma Gyan and Yoga. When he met the gopis at Kurukshetra, he said, why are you saying you miss me? You want to take me to Vrindavan? Then let's get on this chariot of yours. We came on bullock cart and Belgadi. It's very slow. You came in a Ferrari. You came in a BMW. Alpha, right? You like the Alpha. You came in Alfa Romeo. So why should we go on our bullock cart? Look, we'll drive. If we can drive a bullock cart, which Braja Gopis can, we can easily drive your royal chariot from Dwarka. It's not hard. We are village girls. If we can control a bull, we can control some stupid horses. Sit down, mister. Sit down, Krishna. Sit in this chariot. Mama mandire rahat nishidin Krishna Murari si Krishna Murari. Murari, sit down in this chariot of our hearts. We have 16 wheels in this chariot. Jagannath's chariot has 16 wheels. Balaram says 14. Subhadra says 12. You've been to Rath Yatra? Who's been to Rath Yatra in Puri? Raise your hand. Oh, not so. Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra Darshan? Oh. Jagannath Swami ki Jai. Jagannath Rath Yatra Darshan Safal Bhavatu Safalo ki Jai. So now Jagannath Swami let us pull this chariot 9 times. And we're still alive, we didn't get run over. That is great fortune. So his chariot so the gopi said, listen Krishna, you sit down on the chariot. Our chariot has 16 wheels. Your chariot in Puri, your chariot has 16 wheels. But our 16 wheels are your 16 Shaktis. 8 internal, 8 external. Bhimala Shakti, Vidya Shakti, Stapana Shakti, Vyogini Shakti, Samyogini Shakti, Ladani Shakti. So many Shaktis we have, 16 altogether. We are the 16 Shaktis. I am Ladani, this is Vyogini, this is Stapani, this is Samyogini, this is Akarshani. We are here in Kurukshetra, your 16 Shaktis. Now sit down on the chariot. We will drive. Leave the driving to us. Some mental patient like that hurts or something. Rent the car with her, leave the driving to us. So he's saying, gopis are saying, leave the driving, you sit down. We'll take you back to Braj. And Krishna is telling him, oh gopis, why are you saying that? No, you have to understand, Neti, Brahma Gyan, Yoga, you just meditate on me. By meditation you will see me everywhere. There's no need for me to be on the chariot, no need for me to go to Vrindavan. You simply meditate, you press your nose this way, that way, Anulom, Vilom, and then you do Ramdev Yoga, do Ramdev Pranayam, and you'll see me in the core of your heart. What is this, sit on the chariot, come back to Vrindavan? Don't you know, I am all pervading. Ishvara sarvabhutanam vrideshaduna chishtati. Brahmayan sarvabhutani yaturadani maya. I'm everyone's heart. Gopis, don't you know, Bhagavad Gita. Just listen. Try to see me in your heart by meditation. When the gopis heard their Priyatam teach them Brahma Gyan and Yoga, he became angry and said, this is of course in jest, oh, brilliant son of Tattvacharyas. The other is saying, oh, great Guru, Tattva, you're the Acharya of all Tattvas. Will you please go somewhere else and give your instructions on Brahma Gyan? You're wasting your words with us. We are simple, innocent, ignorant gopis. We cannot understand all this difficult, highfalutin language. All this difficult, complicated language. Of course, it is very commendable to give an instruction that is suitable to the listener. But when we hear your instructions on yoga, meditation, Brahma Gyan, our hearts begin to burn. Oh Prananath, it is true that the hearts of others are the same as their minds, but our hearts Mama Mana Vrindavan. Mama Mana Vrindavan. My mind is Vrindavan. Our hearts are the same as Vrindavan. Our mind, you're telling us here in Kurukshetra, oh Gopiyan, fix your minds on Brahman, fix your minds on Paramatma, I am Chaitya-guru, I'm in everyone's heart, what's the big deal, I'm right there in your heart, just fix your minds, just meditate. And Gopi said, okay, I fix my mind on the heart, you're in the heart as Chaitya-guru, and if I fix my mind on my heart, then I'll fix my mind on you in my heart, and then that's very nice, I'll see you, I won't feel any separation, I won't feel any dissatisfaction or being morose or crying in your separation, and the fire of viraha will be extinguished. But there's one slight problem you have overlooked, my dear Prananath, Pranishvara. Our hearts are not like other people. Our hearts and mind are not one. There's no connection. Our hearts are the same as Vrindavan. What does that mean? That means Vrindavan is the heart of Radharani. Living in Vrindavan means to live in the heart of Radharani. That is living in Vrindavan. And living in Radhakund means to live in the blood that's passing through the heart of Radharani. Haribo. Because what's passing through the heart is blood. And what is blood? Blood is liquid. What is liquid? It is ras. So Radhakund is the ras which is flowing through the heart of Radharani, and Radharani's heart is Vrindavan. Haribo. If you go to Vrindavan with us, we shall consider that then you have entered our hearts. Not by meditation you will enter our hearts. Not that we can capture you like some yogis. The yogis are performing tapasya and so many difficult austerities to capture you in their heart. They're using their minds. Yogis are using their minds. Pranayam, asana, pranayam, dharana, dhyana. Using the powers of the concentration of minds. What? To capture just your lotus feet in their hearts. This is the yoga. To capture the feet of Krishna in the heart. And they're saying, our heart is Vrindavan. So we don't want your feet, we want your head, your arms, your legs, your feet, everything. Get on the chariot, come wholesale with us to Vrindavan. Then we can say that you're in our hearts because our hearts are Vrindavan. If you come to Vrindavan, then you'll be in our hearts because our hearts are Vrindavan. You see the logic? Gopis are very logical. Although they say we're simple, we're ignorant, we're innocent village girls, we don't understand Brahma Gyan or yoga, but they understand Naya. They understand logic. And Krishna will be defeated by their logic. If you come to Vrindavan with us, then we will consider that you have entered our hearts. Otherwise, tikne, not. Only this will be your complete mercy. Nothing else. Braja is not only our heart, it is also our home. They say, home is where the heart is. We have an expression in English. Home is where the heart is. So you may be living in some apartment with your wife, but your heart is with your paramour. So that's where your real home is. Your body is sleeping in some four walls. That's not your home. Home is where your heart is. I may be in Russia, or maybe in Finland, or Kazakhstan, or St. Petersburg, or Ukraine, or Estonia, or Latvia, or Lithuania, all those places. So we say, oh, I'm going home to Ukraine, bye-bye Vrindavan, bye-bye Paris, peacocks, pigs, monkeys, dogs, Brajbasis, everybody, bye! I'm going home to Ukraine. But this, you're not, if you say you're going home to Ukraine, then I say you're insane. Ukraine is, you're insane. Not Ukraine, you're insane. No, insane means... So, because it's not your home. Home is where your heart is. So your body may go to Ukraine, but your heart should be Vrindavan. Mora ma, what is it Bhaktivinoda says? Mama mana Vrindavan. My heart is Vrindavan. Gopis are telling. So this is where the home is. The Gopis are saying, Vrindavan is our heart. Vrindavan is our home. Unless we meet you there, our life heirs will certainly leave our bodies. So I think we'll continue there at this point tomorrow. And it's a very nice, suspenseful moment to leave the story. And the question is, the gopis are asking Krishna, please come to our heart, heartland of the home, heartland of the home, home comfort. Please come to the land of Vrindavan. Please, basically, what does any lover want to do with another lover? He meets someone and says, please, I love you dearly. Will you please enter my... Hello? Anyone there? Heart! You have one, no? Yes. If a lover meets someone, really becomes attached, and they say, oh dear, please, you enter my heart. Isn't it? The gopis are saying, Vrindavan, our heart is in Vrindavan, not in Kurukshetra, not in Dwarka. You come with us. You come to our heart. You come to Vrindavan and enter our heart. Our hearts are there. And that is our home. And we want to take you home. Anything you like, you want to take home. Isn't it? You go to this, lady goes to the mall, she sees a nice dress, she wants to take it home. She wants to buy it, take it home. So the gopis want the best thing. They want their Priyatam to come home.